Ever wondered why some people seem more credible or trustworthy than others? What makes us believe in them? Well, there's actually a term for this, and it's called ethos. Derived from ancient Greek philosophy, ethos is all about establishing credibility and trustworthiness. It's one of Aristotle's 3 modes of persuasion, alongside pathos and logos. Ethos is the character or credibility of the speaker or writer, influencing how persuasive we find them. So the next time you find yourself persuaded by someone's credibility, remember that's ethos at work. Ethos is everywhere, from the professionals we trust to the friends we confide in. So how can you use ethos in your writing? Well, it starts by showing your audience that you're knowledgeable about your subject. This isn't about showing off, it's about demonstrating that you've done your homework and that you're a reliable source of information. Think about Martin Luther King Jr.'s "I Have a Dream" speech. King's deep understanding of the struggle for civil rights was clear in every word, making his arguments powerful and compelling. Next, make sure you understand your audience and their values. This helps you to frame your arguments in a way that resonates with them. Consider Jane Austen's novels. Austen's intimate understanding of her readers' social contexts helps her to craft narratives that are both engaging and relatable. Lastly, maintain a respectful tone throughout. This shows that you respect your audience's intelligence and viewpoints, even if they differ from your own. This approach is evident in Nelson Mandela's speeches. Despite the heated politics, Mandela always maintained a respectful, dignified tone. Your writing can be much more persuasive when you take the time to establish your ethos. So, we've seen how ethos works in our daily life and in writing. But why does it matter? Well, let's circle back to the essence of ethos. It's a tool for persuasion, a way to convince others of our credibility. It's like a secret weapon in our communication arsenal. Think about it. When we understand ethos, we become more discerning consumers of information. We're better equipped to judge the credibility of a speaker or writer, to discern the validity of their arguments. It's like having a built-in truth detector. But ethos isn't just about detecting truth. It's also about creating it. When we use ethos effectively in our communication, we're not just convincing people. We're building trust, establishing credibility. It's a two-way street. Remember, ethos is not just about being persuasive. It's about establishing trust and credibility. And that's a powerful tool, whether you're giving advice, writing a paper, or just trying to make sense of the world.